Hi, this is an introductory video for this course and to know more about me. I am Abiola Adedokun, your instructor. I have a Master of Business Administration, MBA Finance. I also hold a baccalaureate degree in accounting. I am an approved assessment specialist by Cambridge International Examinations. I am also a registered International Baccalaureate IB educator as an examiner. I am a college board coordinator and a chartered commercial administrator. In order to reach me via email, my email is adedokun@abc.nb.ca. This course is Advanced Excel, and it helps learners to understand. It gives learners practical and hands-on experience and exposure to tools in Microsoft Excel Office Suite. The topics that would be included are financial and logical functions, lookup formulas like VLOOKUP, then HLOOKUP, Excel tables, sorting and filtering data, data validation, and basic data analysis using goal-seek and what-if tools. These skills are essential for businesses, accounting, and data-driven decision-making roles. At the end of this course, you would be able to perform business-related calculations using financial functions, use logical functions like if, and, or, and nested if statements, apply lookup and reference functions, that's VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and match. Organize large data sets using Excel tables, filters, and sorting tools. Validate and control input using data validation tools. You'll be able to do that. And lastly, you'll be able to use goal-seek and what-if analysis for decision support. The credit for this course is 1.5 and 33 hours. 1.5 credits and 33 hours. The recommended course material, 1, your Microsoft Excel 2016, that's Office 365 version. Then access to textbook modules, either physical or digital. Then you will need computer with Excel installed in it. You need a computer with Excel functioning in it. Then data files. Data files will be provided for you in your classroom. It will be provided by me to you. It will be in the Google Classroom. It will be in the created classroom rather for you. And the recommended textbook, this is your recommended textbook. Shirley Cashman series, Microsoft Office 365 Excel 2019. So this is your recommended textbook, and it is by Cengage. And as I said earlier, if you have any question or anything that you want to reach out to me to respond to within 24 hours of a business day, please reach out to me, adedokun@abc.nb.ca. That is my email. And lastly, please, if there is any data file that you find difficult to open, please do not take time to reach out to me. Immediately let me know so that I can reshare with you the data files for the topics, for the modules in this course. Thank you very much and do have a good one. Bye.